Hello everyone. Today I am going to prepare Pazham Poori, which is a very tasty evening snack. So now let us see the ingredients I am taking for the preparation. Here I have taken 1 cup of maida and half cup of chana flour, coconut oil for deep frying, half tablespoon of cumin seeds, salt and sugar according to the taste, 1/4 tablespoon of turmeric powder. And here I have also taken nendrapallam, which is sliced into 2 pieces each, and little water. First, to prepare batter, I have taken a mixing bowl here. Now add 1 cup of maida. Then add half cup of chana powder and give a mix. Then add half tablespoon of cumin seeds. Then add salt and also sugar according to the taste. Now add pinch of turmeric and give a nice mix to the dry powder. Now then I'll add water batch wise to get a correct consistency. Now the batter is ready. I'm going to add the sliced bananas to this batter now. Here I have taken 2 cups of coconut oil for deep fry. Now the oil is almost hot and ready. So now I'll drop a sliced bananas with batter into the oil. Now I am going to fry this until it turns to a golden color on medium flame. Now I'll give a quick turn to fry it on the other side. Now it has turned into a golden color. Now these are almost ready to take it into a plate. Now hot and tasty Pazham Poori is ready. If you like the video and recipe, please do subscribe my channel and also click on the bell button. Thank you. Usha with Kadaai Kitchen.